I'm 60 years old and this plant returned my vision, removed fat from my liver and completely cleansed my colon. Many people around the world take good care of their health. But, unfortunately, some people don't. This is very important for you to understand. You have to take good care of your body because it's the only place you have to live in. Beets help lower blood pressure. Researchers found that people who drank 8 ounces of beetroot juice daily lowered both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. Nitrates, compounds in beetroot juice that convert into nitric acid in the blood and help widen and relax blood vessels, are thought to be the cause. Boost your stamina. Drinking beetroot juice has proven valuable enough in boosting your energy levels. According to a small 2012 study, drinking beetroot juice increases plasma nitrate levels and boosts physical performance. Anti-cancer properties. Research has shown that beetroot extract reduced multi-organ tumor formations in various animal models when administered in drinking water. For instance, while beetroot extract is also being studied for use in treating human pancreatic, breast, and prostate cancers. This recipe was sent by one of our readers, who wants to stay anonymous. This recipe contains one of the healthiest vegetables in the world, beets. He claims that this plant will help you restore your eyesight, cleanse your liver from fat and toxins and remove all toxic waste from your colon. Sounds amazing, right? Well, yes it is, and it's very simple. You just have to take a look at the video below and find out more about this. And, in my personal opinion, the best thing about this remedy is that you just need 4 simple ingredients, which you probably already have in your kitchen cabinet. Beets are amazing. Yes, you got that right. They contain high amounts of iron and are a great food to eat if you're menstruating. Many people around the world used beets for thousands of years to treat many different health problems. Beets are loaded with iron. Actually, beets have the highest content of iron, right after garlic. When it comes to iodine content, this vegetable is second to kale. Beets are loaded with many healthy nutrients and they can boost your metabolism as well. They also give your body potent antioxidants that are more common in red beets. Beets also contain high amounts of polyphenols and betalains. These prevent free radical damage and oxidative stress. Beets are loaded with B vitamins and PP, which strengthens capillary walls. You should also know that this super healthy vegetable has great mineral content. Potassium and folate protect heart, magnesium strengthens bones, iron and phosphorus stimulate energy, copper targets free radicals, and iodine participates in the biosynthesis of thyroid hormones. Ingredients: 2 to 3 beets, 2 onions, extra virgin olive oil, vinegar, salt to taste. Directions: peel the beets and cook them in water with a pinch of salt. Chop them in small slices and put them in a bowl. Chop the onion and mix it with the beets, then add some olive oil and vinegar and season with salt to taste. Sprinkle the salad with some vinaigrette in the end and leave it for 1 hour. This amazing salad will clean your colon and liver and improve your eyesight as well. This means that you should definitely try it.